Hello friends. From today onwards, I am starting with the neurology topics and today's topic for our discussion is internuclear ophthalmoplegia, that is INO. So, first of all, I will give the overview of this picture. So this is the right half and this is the left half, okay? And these are our beautiful eyes. So, and this is the cross section of the brainstem, that is midbrain, pons, medulla. This is the frontal lobe, that is on the right side, okay? So here is the PPRF, that is in the pons, parapontine reticular formation, and this is the MLF. Basically, MLF is longitudinal structure that is extending beyond the midbrain, but for our today's discussion only, I had kept it here only. Okay. So, first of all, we will learn the basic pathway for the horizontal gaze. So, when we are looking to the left, signal from the right frontal lobe, that is the frontal eye field area, will give the signal to the opposite side of PPRF. This PPRF will receive the signal from the opposite side of the frontal eye field. So, this PPRF give signals to the same side of the sixth nerve to the PPRF. From the sixth nerve, there will be the two pathways. One will go to the same side of the lateral rectus and another will go to the opposite side of the MLF. MLF will give the signal to the that side of the third nerve and third nerve will innervate the that side of the medial rectus. So lateral rectus will do the abduction of the eye, medial rectus will do the adduction of the eye. So the eye will be like this. So I will look to the left. So this is the normal pathway while looking to the left side. So briefly we will do the overview from the right frontal eye field. The left PPRF will receive the signal. From there will be the sixth nerve. Sixth nerve two sides. One will give the same side of the lateral rectus, opposite side of the MLF. MLF will give signal to the third nerve to the medial rectus. So what is INO? INO is lesion to the MLF, medial longitudinal fasciculus. So the signal will not go to the this side of the third nerve. So what will be the lesion? There will be the what will be the manifestations? So third will not innervate the medial rectus. So there will be the adduction failure, same side, and the opposite side will not able to fixate the eye. So I will look to the left side, but there will be the nystagmus due to the lack of fixation. Okay, so abducting nystagmus on opposite side. Okay, and one more thing will be there for the vergence, like convergence. There is the direct signal from the third nerve, so it will not be affected by the MLF lesion. So the convergence is possible even if the adduction is not there. So, convergence normal. So, so the right side INO will have the adduction failure on the right side, abducting nystagmus on the left side, and the convergence will be normal. So, please let me know your comments, and if you want to learn any neurology topic, let me know on the comment sections. Thank you.